How to recover your hacked YouTube channel. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you have got hacked on YouTube, if you are wondering how to get your channel back, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. The first thing you can do is if you can still log in, you can change your Google password. So open up YouTube and then go ahead with the channel that you're associated with. Look for your profile in the bottom right corner. Open it up, and from here, go ahead and tap on Google account, and it should open up your Google account settings on your particular screen. Now you can go over and tap on security and sign in. From there, you can just go ahead and follow the process to turn on two-step verification. Tap on two-step verification, and then you can just go on with the process of turning on the two-step verification and remove any kind of suspicious users from your YouTube studio. Just go ahead and do so. Tap on continue, and give the necessary permissions to turn on the two-step verification and turn it on. Apart from that, you can change your password as well. Tap on password and then follow up the process to change your password. You need to verify yourself for that first of all, and continue. And from there, you can just go ahead and enter your new password in this box right here, and right below it, confirm your new password and tap on change password. And that way you can go ahead and change your password for your YouTube account as well. Another process you can do is you can visit support.google.com/YouTube/gethelp. So you can head over the search, type in support.google.com, and then type in slash YouTube/gethelp and hit go. And it will open up the page for your YouTube help. Now here you can just go ahead and describe your issue. You can select the option that your channel was hacked from the given options, or you can search for the problem here, which is recovering a hacked Google account. So you can just go ahead and chat with your channel hacked assistants directly. And before taking the action, it's important to check for signs that your channel may have been hacked. So just go ahead and confirm it. And you can just go and perform these options available, or you can recover your Google account, as I said earlier, by updating your password and securing your Google account. And enabling two-factor authentication should also do it. But for now, you can try following up this recovery method, and that should work out for you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.